astral energy up. And then the vital energy, we're going to summon it from the ground, from the earth. Once we get these three up through the crown, then we look above the crown and we just say open. For opening the crown chakra of life force, it's really just a matter of stretching life force through it and thinning it out. So we do the vital breathing, and you raise the vital energy up through the crown, and you just run it as a vital frequency, and then relax the astral feeling, just slowing it down as you raise it up. And then open the mental space of consciousness of life force and run that up, and then go into the field of life force through the crown. So it's a matter of just raising vital energy astrally, raising vital energy mentally, and then through the crown let the mind spread out into the environment around you, whether it's in a forest, in the classroom, wherever you are. Very, very, very straightforward. You run Akasha through your crown. The Akashic crown opens, and it's like a valve. Some people call a lotus flower opening. It expands and contracts. Whatever frequency you run through it, expands and contracts on that frequency. In this case, vital energy. So inside form, released of time, mental space, and the field effect and consciousness of living mind as the doors. We touch our partner's base. Now we want to raise the consciousness of energy up first. Bring the astral energy up. And then the vital energy, we're going to summon it from the ground, from the earth. Once we get these three up through the crown, then we look above the crown and we just say open. And after a couple minutes of that exercise, you switch over when your partner works on you. You can just stream vital continuously until it becomes astral, until it becomes mental, and until you feel the field effect. So you can do from the ground up, or you can go into moving the consciousness from under the feet up, and then you slowly move the astral and physical as three separate exercises. Or you can just gather and accumulate the mind substance of energy under the feet, and then as you start to lift it, the same way you move your body of mental, astral, physical. So there's a lot of different orders of doing this exercise, and the way different people respond to it, as to which order you want to do. Experiment with just running vital, just running astral, just running consciousness through, and then synchronizing them. Find your way of making it work with the person that you're working with.